In this video, you will see how to make potato tornado street style and without machine. Hello everyone, I am Chef Anjali Gupta. Welcome back to my channel Angel's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, then give a big thumbs up, leave your suggestions and give comments in the comment sections below. So let's get started. Potato tornado. We can call potato spiral also and potato chaat also. This is a street style recipe. First take 3 medium sized potato. I have taken pahadi aloo, potato which are available on hills. Let's skewer it. Now start cutting it. We have to cut the slice without breaking. First mark one edge so that it won't get divided. Turn around and cut from knife. Touch the skewer. Do not break. We have to take out the swirls. Thickness can be 5 rupees coin. We don't need to make perfection, but we can make spirals at home easily without machine. Now separate the slices without breaking a spiral. Our tornado is ready. Now dip it in a salted water. Because potato is a starchy food and it can change color easily, so we have to keep it in a separate water. Similarly, prepare with another potato also. Mark from one side and start cutting it. Your knife should be sharp. Take out swirl. Knife should touch the skewer. Turn around and cut nicely. This much thick. If you will try 4-5 times, then maybe it will take out perfect size. Remember, do not break the chain. A swirl or tornado is ready. Now, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon cornflour, 1 tablespoon refined flour, all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. At this stage you can add red color also. Half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Mix it well. Now add water so that it becomes thin batter. Whisk well, don't leave any lump. A batter should be this much thin. Now take potato spiral and coat it with batter evenly. With the help of a spoon, cover potato with batter. Pour batter on each side. Our oil is getting hot. Now remove excess batter and put it into hot oil. This time oil is at high temperature. Similarly, take another swirl and coat it with batter. Coat from each side. Keep it in oil, hot oil. Turn the skewers. After 2-3 minutes, you can medium down the flame so that potato get crispy and cook well. When it turns golden color, take out from the oil and drain excess oil. Now it's time to serve. Keep it in a platter. Sprinkle some red chili powder. Some more red chili powder. Sprinkle chaat masala also because we are giving Indian touch. With the help of piping bag, pipe mayonnaise. You can use any flavor of mayonnaise. It's your choice. Just like street vendors. Garnish it with some fresh coriander. Do not forget to clean the edges of the plate. We have sprinkled chaat masala and red chili powder just for plating. We can sprinkle separate also, but we have to do the plating. To give Indian twist, I am adding tamarind chutney also. If you do not want, you can skip this method. Do let me know how you like the taste. Do comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.